you to answer all the questions.
Ladies and gentlemen, if I just have your attention just for a second. We're about to start the ceremony in a second, but we have been asked by Andrea and Charlie if you could not take any pictures during the ceremony, and if you do chance a sneaky one in, please don't post it to social media. And also just to check as well on the subject of phones, if you can put them to silent or switch them off as well, please. And we're about to start. Oh, we're ready to start actually. So ladies and gentlemen, please can I ask you to stand for the arrival of the bridal party. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Please be seated. So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the stunning Lyde Court here in Herefordshire, where you have been invited by Charlie and Andrea to join with them in the celebration of their marriage. And it means a great deal to have you all here today to share in their special day. My name is Kelly Richards, and as Deputy Superintendent Registrar, it is my pleasure to be here to conduct the marriage ceremony. And my colleague and friend is Judith, and as Registrar, she has the very important job of ensuring the legality of the marriage and to record this event for all time in the marriage register. Oh, sorry, that was a bit loud, wasn't it? So one of the many historic customs in a wedding is the giving away of the bride. So I now ask, who brings Andrea to be married to Charlie?
Alec.
And do you give your love, consent and support to this marriage?
Yes.
You do. Wonderful. Thank you. Please do take a seat. Thank you.
Congratulations, John.
So do you want to just come in the middle slightly? So since meeting 6 years ago, Charlie and Andrea's relationship has gone from strength to strength, and promises made to one another privately are to be reaffirmed before us here today. And they have called you together to make their commitment clear to you and to call on your acknowledgement and support. This place in which you are now met has been duly sanctioned according to law for the celebration of marriages, and you are here to witness the joining in matrimony of Charlie and Andrea. However, oh crikey, I said that quite sinisterly, sorry. Before that can happen, I must ask that time-honoured question, that if any person present knows of any lawful impediment to this marriage, then it should be declared now. Wonderful silence, that's wonderful. Got good guests, we're all ready to go. So, although you know who you are, I do formally need you to ask to confirm your full name. So, Charlie, is your full name Charles Graham Oliver Cash?
It is.
Wonderful. And Andrea, is your full name Andrea Natalie Wesley? Yes. Wonderful. I have to remind you of the solemn oath we're about to make. For marriage in this country means the union of two people voluntarily entered into for life and to the exclusion of all others. Each marriage is unique and is to be treasured. It is a partnership in which two people proclaim their love and commitment to each other, and it requires trust, devotion, giving unconditional love, and being open, honest, and understanding. Marriage means making a sincere commitment to share yourselves, your hopes, and your aspirations, and to give support and encouragement as your relationship grows and develops. It is a statement to all of those around you of the love, friendship, and the support that you wish to share for the rest of your lives. And a successful marriage requires mutual support, cooperation, and trust. Sharing responsibilities and working through the difficult times which all couples face. It is a partnership which requires honesty, patience, and humour. And in marriage, being the right partner is as important as finding the right partner. So now, ladies and gentlemen, we do have a reading from Julie. So Julie, would you like to come forward?
Happiness is you. Way down the mountain, I chased a moonbeam. On the beach, I built sandcastles too. My moonbeams faded, my castles tumbled. All of this was meaningless, because happiness is you. No more chasing moonbeams or catching falling stars. I know now my pot of gold is anywhere you are. My heart won't miss you, my heart goes with you. Loneliness is emptiness, but happiness is you.
Beautifully read, thank you. So Charlie and Andrea, I'm now going to ask you in turn to declare that you do not know of any legal reason why you should not be married to each other. And again, it falls to the groom to go first. So Charlie, would you please repeat after me? In fact, actually, Reply I am after me. I should have edited this bit out, ladies and gents. So could you reply I am to the following question? Are you, Charles Graham Oliver Cash, free to lawfully to marry Andrea Natalie Wesley?
I am.
Wonderful, Andrea. It's now your turn. Are you, Andrea Natalie Wesley, free lawfully to marry Charles Graham Oliver Cash?
I am.
Wonderful. So the vows in which Charlie and Andrea are about to exchange will not be entered into unadvisedly, but with respect, love and commitments in their hearts. So, to recognise the importance of this next part, if you are able to, please could I ask you to stand? Charlie and Andrea, these vows will join your lives, uniting you as husband and wife. The words are formal and legal, and a public pledge of your love and a promise of lifelong dedication to one another. When two people commit to a marriage, they choose to turn their two lives into one, and you have chosen to make this commitment to each other as a means to nurture your love and companionship. So, would you turn to face each other? And this time we do repeat after me. So Charles, again, for you to go first. I, Charles Graham Oliver Cash,
I, Charles Graham Oliver Cash,
take you, Andrea Natalie Wesley,
take you, Andrea Natalie Wesley,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
Wonderful. Andrea, now it's your turn, so could you repeat after me? I, Andrea Natalie Wesley,
I, Andrea Natalie Wesley,
take you, Charles Graham Oliver Cash,
take you, Charles Graham Oliver Cash,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my wedded husband.
That's wonderful. Thank you, everyone. You may be seated. The wedding ring is a perfect success. Eternal.
To respect and to value,
To be loyal and faithful.
to be loyal and faithful,
Never to falter.
never to falter,
Through times of joy
through times of joy
and times of sorrow.
and times of sorrow,
To be sincere, honest and true.
honest and true,
Till death do us part.
till death do us part.
Beautifully said. Thank you. Push the ring fully on now.